Amazon is offering sellers a 10% kickback on your product if you acquire traffic towards Amazon from other websites. It's called the Amazon Attribution Program. And in this video, we're going to discuss what the Attribution Program is, how to set it up, and the benefits and drawbacks of this program. My name is Zain and I'm from LandingCube. We help sellers easily and quickly create landing pages for off Amazon advertising on Google, TikTok, and Facebook. So starting with what Amazon Attribution is. It's very simple. Amazon gives you a tag that you can add to your off Amazon marketing, be it Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok, Pinterest, or even influencer marketing. And for each click that results in a sale on Amazon via the marketing with the tag, it will result in a 10% kickback. And I'm going to walk you through how to set this up. And if you guys like this kind of content, make sure you like and subscribe. All right, to set it up, here we are in Amazon Seller Central. At the top left, click the three dash lines and go down to brands and click brand referral bonus. So it'll take you to this page where it has a video explaining what the brand referral bonus is. You can watch it, but you're pretty much getting everything that you need to know in this video. And what you need to do is then click generate referral tags. So here it's going to have all of these statistics, but what we want to go to is create campaign. And then you have an option to create manually one by one, or you can upload a file to create in bulk. So obviously you can do this, the bulk creation if you want, based on how many campaigns you want to run. But for now, we're just going to create manually. Then we have a menu and kind of setup to do, and what we want to do is name the campaign. So naming is very important for organization, and I really suggest naming it by starting with the platform you intend to market on. So for example, here I could do TikTok. You can add your brand name if you have multiple different brand names, but even if you don't, I'd still do that. Product campaign, so if you have a specific product campaign name, you can do that too. And then we want to do campaign number. So you might have different campaigns. I mean, as a matter of fact, you will have different campaigns throughout the year. This could be just a regular campaign, no special occasion, but you might have a Valentine's Day campaign or a Father's Day campaign, and so on and so forth. And then finally finish with the ad reference. So you're going to have different types of ads that you're going to constantly be A/B testing to see which one works the best. So always add a reference to which ad it actually applies to this tag. So you don't have to use that naming scheme. I just give it as an example. Use whatever makes sense to you as long as you can refer to it and know exactly what this campaign refers to on whatever platform that you might be advertising on. Then we can add the product and then name the ad group. I'm just going to call this test. And then you got to pick your publisher. So there's so many different opportunities here. I mean, there's pretty much any platform that is big online and people actually visit will have a opportunity for you to advertise on, and thus you can create an attribution tag for. Okay, so we are going to keep it simple. And we're going to pick TikTok. Here it is. And then the channel is social. We're just going to keep it that way. And then the click-through URL. This is your Amazon listing page. So right click and paste. It'll be basically your Amazon page, or Amazon.com, your product, DP, and then your ASIN. And then you have an opportunity, if you click at the top right here, to click duplicate. The reasons you would want to duplicate it is so that you can track the performance of each individual ad that you're running. And I really recommend doing this because it'll give you really good insight into which ads work for your product and brand the best and result in the most click-throughs and sales. So anytime you run ads on a different platform, I assume that you're not just running one ad. You might be, but I really recommend running 3, 4, 5 ads just to see A/B testing which ads work the best, and the duplication of these ad groups in attribution will help you identify which ones are resulting in the most click-throughs. So once you have all that done, you are going to click create at the top right, and leads us here. And this is basically your ad group and the attribution tag that you received. So you can just copy this and paste this into the ad and management of the platform that you are going to market on. So be it Facebook or TikTok or whatever, it'll give you an opportunity to paste this attribution tag in its interface. And I'm not going to go through the specific platform because there's so many different ones. I'm pretty sure it'll be very clear in their interfaces where you can paste this attribution tag. So once you've pasted the attribution tag and you start running them, you can now basically treat it as just any other ad campaign. And what you want to do with any ad campaign is monitor its performance. The way you can do that is to go to the menu at the left here in the campaign manager and click measurement and reporting. Then click Amazon Attribution. Here, it takes us back to that first page where we could have gone to create a campaign, but we've already done that. So instead, we're going to scroll down to see all the different campaigns that we would be running and their performance. So you get the click-throughs, which is the click-through from the platform onto your page, total DVP, which stands for detailed page views, basically the number of people who actually stick around on your page and look at it, the total add to cart, so anyone who got to the page via the attribution link or the marketing ad group on the other platform and actually added your product to their cart, and then the total purchases, sales, and how much money you got in referral bonus from the sales that you have acquired using attribution. Additionally, just like any other ad campaign, you can go to sponsored ad reports in the menu on the left of the campaign manager, click create report, and then click Amazon Attribution, channel publisher, basically anything you have, probably just campaign for you, report period, and then you can basically send it to an email if you'd like, and then at the top right you can run report. So you can run a report just like any other ad campaign. And that's it, guys. Like, that's about as simple as it is to create an Amazon attribution tag and put it on your ad groups. It's super useful, and off Amazon marketing can be a huge leg up to capture audiences that you normally wouldn't be able to just by using PPC on Amazon, because the eyeballs aren't necessarily always on Amazon. Sometimes people are shopping around on the various other platforms. But with that said, Amazon is a very trusted platform, and PPC is highly effective and an absolute must. And here's how we can help you optimize your PPC in addition to your Amazon attribution.
If you want to learn more on how you can optimize Amazon PPC, you can get a free copy of our ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Amazon Ads, Advanced Tactics and Best Practices. This book has received a 4.8 out of 5-star rating on Amazon and has helped beginners and advanced sellers alike. Click the link in the description below to sign up to our emailing list and receive a free copy.
So getting into the benefits and drawbacks. I know it sounds amazing, guys, that you can get a 10% kickback, but there are some drawbacks. But first, let's go through the positive attributes of attribution. So as mentioned earlier, the kickback is 10%. This almost covers the referral fee that Amazon charges you of 15%. So it's a nice way to pad the costs of using FBA. Amazon is also a very trusted source from its customers, so the conversion is likely from the marketing, provided your product and listing are very good. But here's the drawback. Since Amazon attribution takes the customer from the ad from the other platform to your Amazon listing page, you won't be able to acquire anything else other than a potential sale. This might be bad because you might have different goals, and you might want to be building an email list and building your brand, in which case you'd rather spend your ad budget on sending them to your website instead, where you can also offer some sort of other incentive for their email or phone number. But the conversion rate on your website will definitely be lower than the conversion on Amazon due to the difference in trust built between your brand and Amazon. Amazon is a behemoth. I don't think it's possible to compete with them with our tiny brands. But nonetheless, it depends on the goals for your ads. Perhaps you're looking for sales, in which case attribution is fantastic. Or maybe you're looking to grow your brand, in which case attribution is not the way to go. And if building your email list and branding is the goal, here's how we can help.
If you're looking to build a landing page or collect emails to build your brand audience, check out LandingCube. We're a landing page builder for all your off-Amazon marketing needs, such as Google, TikTok, and Facebook. Click the link in the description below for a free 21-day trial.
And that's it for this video, guys. I will see you next time. Take care.